English, 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 English. Everybody is saying that speak English language, learn English language. What is the problem with this English language is? I have seen lot of people, those don't know the English language, but they are succeeded. They are running very good business. I have seen those people who know the very good English language, but they are jobless. They are doing nothing. They are free. What is the problem with this English language is? How can we get benefits from this English language? Is learning English language is necessary or not? So, if I will give you the replies. If you have the mind of international level, international mentality, then it is must for you to learn the English language. If your business, your thinking are limited to your area, then it's not necessary for you to learn the English language. This will be the wastage of your time. But if you want to expand your talent on international level, if you want to expand your business on international level, if you want to travel throughout the world, then it's very necessary for you to learn the English language. This will help you while traveling, while doing the business, while if you are willing to promote your talent on international level. With the help of social media, right now you can make videos, or if any kind of talent you have, you can spread that talent on international level with the help of English language. If you don't know the English language, your talent will be limited to your area only. So, to expand your talent, to expand your each and everything on international level, you know that the world has become the global village. Right now, with the help of social media, we are not limited to one place or area. With one click, we can send or receive messages from all over the world. So, for that, I think English learning is necessary. If you are browsing social media, you will find lot of stuff in English language, because mostly books, mostly e-books, mostly videos are in English language. Although lot of stuff is in your national language, you can watch those videos, you can read those articles. But if you want to get the attention of other nationalities, those don't know your national language, then it is necessary for you to learn the English language. With the help of this language, you can communicate with others. Those don't know the English language. If you don't know the national language of other country, other don't know the national language of your country, but only language that will make the bridge between you two is the English language. With this language, you can communicate, you can share your ideas, your things. So I think that if you have the international kind of mentality, then it's necessary for you to learn the English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik, and please, before leaving, subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Thank you.